channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back, guys. So today we're going to do a chit chat, life update, what's going on, mental check-in, whatever you want to call it. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. So first I'm going in with my canoe from the Warrior palette from Juvia's Place. And I'm just using that as the beginning of the transition shade for my lid. But y'all, it's just really been a lot going on. So where do we begin? So what I'm going to go ahead next, I'm going to try out this e.l.f. eyeshadow in this shade Flirty Verdi, and I'm going to apply that to my lid. That's it for the eyes. So next I'm going in with my Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara to set my eyes, and I'm going to come back on camera with my lashes on. Okay, y'all, so for the foundation, I'm going in with my NARS in the shade Tahoe. I'm about to just go in using my Real Technique brush, and I'm going to blend it out. Yeah, guys, I just been really in a vlog mood, you know? Just really, I don't know. I feel like I might be a little depressed, but I don't really want to claim that. But just been in a little ill mood. Like, I just don't really care. Like, I care, but I don't care. You know what I mean? Like, and then it's like everything is not working out right. I think I'm putting too much pressure on myself. And maybe this pain could all be from stress. I don't know, y'all. It's like I put a lot of pressure on myself and I want more, and I think that's why. And then y'all also, I'm ready to move. We literally haven't grown this place. We've been here for about 4 years now, and it's just time for us to, you know, plant our grounds on some solid foundation for ourselves and our kids. So it's just a lot. I'm almost like mad at myself too, like, if that makes sense. Like, I'm almost like mad at myself that things are not where they should be, or like I didn't do the things I didn't do what I wanted to do. And I think that's one thing that really upsets me. Besides that, I use the wrong concealer right now in my eye. I just think that, like, I just really wish some things would have played out differently. You know, like, it's a lot we don't learn until we actually go through it that you wish you would have did differently. But it's just like, for me, it's so much stuff I wish I would have did differently that would have prepared me for my now, so that I could be in a better position and do more, or however I wanted to be for my kids. I wish I was able to do that as far as like parenting wise. Like, financially be where I want to be for my family. I wouldn't change anything about like who I'm with or nothing like that. I think I just would change like financial parts. Like, I feel like my person is my person. Even though he might get on my nerves, I feel like, and we have our moments and our days where it's like good or bad, but I really believe that this is my person. So we just gonna rock out till we can't no more. But I do think that I wish that, you know, things would have played out better. Yeah, like, y'all, it's just a lot, you know what I mean? Like, it's like them shoulda, coulda, wouldas be playing on repeat almost. Like, girl, you shoulda. And at that point, it's almost not even gonna be, it don't even matter. Like, I'm just ill about it. And that's not even a good way to describe it. You know, I'm just mad at myself. But it's also like, as I talk about it, it's like, I realized that sitting and dwelling on what I shoulda, coulda, woulda is not going to change the fact that where I am now. You know what I mean? Like, I am where I am now. Like, I went to school for a degree, not even being in use. Like, I'm in debt. Like, that's just crazy to me. But that's just how society is. And now I'm just like, I just would tell anybody who would ask me, if you ask me, like, do you think money is like the best decision maker when you're applying or looking for a position? And I'm gonna honestly tell you, I've been in 2 positions that money were better than where I was before, and I didn't like the position at all. Like, the money, it matters, but it doesn't matter. Like, I'm not gonna say you don't worry about the money, just you making anything. But I do feel that you need to like what you're doing. Like, you can't just be going to work and then don't even want to be there. You don't even want to give that position 110%. You know what I mean? Like, you gotta like what you're doing. It's only gonna get better if you like what you're doing, because you're going to give it more, and you're gonna be like willing to put in that time and everything. Because listen, when you don't like it, it shows. It shows in many ways than one, and you don't want to be that one. Like, I just would tell people, just like, you can think about the process. Like, I've been such a now person that it has truly affected like a lot of my decisions, and I see that now. Yeah, we're gonna do my hair too, so don't worry about it. We're gonna talk about it. But it's just something that you really have to know what you want and go for it. And I think like now, like, I wish I would have probably like went to school for like hair and makeup and stuff like that, because that's what I enjoy doing most of anything else in this world. It's like hair and makeup. It's like therapeutic. I love how like the outcomes look. Like, all of that is important to me. And so I love healthcare too though, but it's just like, for me, one of those things that you like, one of those things like you see when the transformation, like how it does, like all of that, like, it's so sick. I really hope that things get better. I'm praying about it, doing some affirmation about it, like just really trying to do better, because I'm just not in a good place right now. And y'all, like, this is the 19th. I haven't had makeup on since the 2nd of April, and that's crazy. I'm not like, that's not that serious, but like, makeup is therapeutic for me, and it just like, and I think since I haven't been doing a lot, it's really been like throwing me. I've been off. I have truly been off, and I can tell too. Like, in what I do, I've been off. And I just need to get back right, y'all. So I'm gonna do my lips and my under eye stuff off camera, and we're gonna come back so we can do this hair. I am about to do my hair, and guys, so I'm still working and learning how to work my natural hair. So it's been a process. So it may not be perfect right now, but it's doable for me. I've been trying to wear it, so let's get started. So in my bottle water, I have rice water. So we're using rice water, my curl activator from Aussie, and my Lottie Body moisture control because my hair absorbs so much moisture. It's crazy. So, and y'all, if I'm talking funny, it's because I haven't shared this with you guys, but I have started my smile journey, smile direct, and so I have my retainers in, so they sound a little funny. We're gonna get to it, y'all. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm just applying some water to my hair to get some of that moisture back. I'm about to apply to my hair. I just apply a generous amount in my hands and rub it in. And so some of my hair is naturally where you can run your hands through it and it just see it's curling up. So some of it may do right. Then you got some, I don't know if this is gonna be it, but I'm just gonna show you where I had to finger curl my hair and then it slowly dry up. So it just really depends. I think it really depends on the product also, how much I'm putting on there. You see, it's just coming together. Look at them curls. Sometimes I use my comb and I just comb through. I don't want my hair to be nappy. I don't want it to be nappy. That's definitely not coming, okay? Who wants to have a nappy fro? Or just be so coarse. But when this dries up, it does feel a little bit coarse, so. Okay, y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna share all this because this is really a lot. And it's just a lot of hair. And if a part don't really curl up too well, I don't want it to have curls everywhere. So I'm gonna grab little sections of the hair and curl it up. Okay, but y'all see for the most part what I'm doing. I'm gonna come back once I'm done and figure out a final look, because I don't think I want to show all this on camera because this was really a long process and I'm still learning how to do my natural hair, so I'll come back. Hey guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this chit chat, get ready with me video. If you did and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.